Well, time is now 12:17 on your Monday afternoon. Switching gears to weather as you take a live look over downtown Indy, JW Marriott and Lucas Oil Stadium. Chelsea joins us now. You've been tracking this. We've been saying it all along. We're waiting for these temperatures to warm up, but we got to get through a little ice conditions before we get there.
Yeah, that is right. Our temperatures are actually starting to bounce up above freezing for the first time in pretty much a week. So you probably have already felt the difference out there, but what is going to be the biggest impact is the ground temperatures. They are going to take a little bit to catch up to get above that freezing temperature. So as rain moves in tonight, it's likely going to start out as freezing rain. Here's our freezing rain potential, our ice potential through tomorrow morning. Majority of central Indiana, we're looking at a glaze to 1/10 of an inch. Areas like Lafayette and farther to the northwest between 1/10 and 2/10 of an inch. Southern Indiana, including Bedford and Seymour, this may be just more of a cold rain event for you as temperatures are a little bit warmer. So where is the freezing rain at right now? We are really seeing it north of Indianapolis. A lot of reports have been Lafayette and farther north. I have been checking out NDOT cameras along I-65, and it's starting to move a little bit closer to Lafayette, where the ice is starting to stick to the cameras due to that freezing rain. So that means out on the roads it's likely icy as well, especially north of Lafayette. And as it continues to pick up, that's going to start to spread a little bit closer to Indianapolis as we head into the later evening hours. And as I mentioned, temperatures are starting to bounce above freezing for some. 34 in Indianapolis, 37 in Bloomington. However, it's still 32 in Kokomo, 30 in Lafayette. So as we look at the rest of the day, freezing rain coverage is going to start to increase and spread across central Indiana. But the next several hours for most is just going to be cloudy, looking at those high temperatures in the low to middle 30s. And then especially after 6-7 o'clock, that rain starts to move in, potentially freezing rain as well. So future track 13, let's put it into motion for you. Around 5 o'clock, it could potentially start to impact portions west of Indianapolis for that early morning commute. Picks up around 7. The heaviest rates are expected to be in the overnight hours, and this could linger into the first part of tomorrow morning. This is future track 13, paused at 7 o'clock. And then we'll eventually start to see it between 7 and 10 a.m. start to switch back over to that rain. We will get a little bit of a lull in that activity once we go into the middle of the day. So freezing rain to rain tomorrow morning. High temperatures are expected to warm up close to 40 degrees. So anything really after tomorrow afternoon and evening, we are expecting it to be all liquid precipitation. And we have another storm system that will be arriving tomorrow evening. So while we get a break tomorrow afternoon, warm front starts to move back in Tuesday night, bringing us another round of rain. And we are expecting it to be liquid precipitation, so not a big concern for freezing rain for that second round later this week. But 7-day forecast, be weather aware tonight and tomorrow morning. We could have some icy roads out there, could make for some tricky travel conditions, so you want to make sure that you're staying safe. Now, as the ice melts and that warmer air above it, we could also have some foggy conditions through Wednesday.